ice cream namin. Ayan. Wala kaming ice wrapper, kaya linagay namin dito, guys. Madali lang naman, pero ito box siya, ice cream, jackfruit flavor. Ayan. Masarap siya, guys.
Kita mo yung nagmet-bahay.
Okay. Ayan, guys, gagawin kong ice candy. Guys, malapit na maluto. Ito yung kompla. Ayan, guys, ang aming ice cream. Ice candy, walang ice wrapper. Ayan. Condensed milk and evaporated milk. Dinagyan kong kaunting cornflour, pero kailangan iluto ang cornflour. Milky. Yan. Masarap ang aming langka ice cream. Kita mo, guys. Ayan, guys. Kasi sobra-sobra ng aming langka or jackfruit, so gawin ng ice cream. Yummy. Masarap. Ilalagay lang sa box kasi wala kaming ice wrapper. Ayan. Lasang-lasa, ang sarap. Ayan. Tama. Hello, guys. Ito ang ice cream namin. Wala kaming ice wrapper. Pwede naman dito yata. Isandali lang naman ipipreser. Yan. Then, ito yung lagayan ng ice cream. Pwede rin yata. Yan. Wala nang ice candy. Ayan, guys. Wow. Very thick. Very thick. Jackfruit. Yummy. Yes. This is my ice cream. Ice candy na rin. Ayan. Ganda ng namin, guys. Yan, very thick. Evaporated milk, condensed milk, a bit sugar, and linagyan ko ng cornflour para hindi matigas. Yan, medyo malambot yan. Parang mas masarap sa yan. Kasi isang can of evaporated milk. Yan na, guys, ang aming ice cream jackfruit.